Along with intensive capital investment for machines and tools, plastic injection molding needs special production techniques and know-how to become successful in the marketplace. To warrant these requirements, Buchum supports the plastic industry with its know-how and special products. Its goal? A high-quality and friction-free production process, which also meets the business requirements in the competitive markets. This begins with the protection against rust and dirt of the especially valuable tools. In this case, Anticore RS offers the best protection. Anticore is the high-quality corrosion protection for iron, steel, and all types of metallic material. It protects reliably in the most aggressive of environments for long periods of time. Anticore is simply sprayed onto the tools after use and forms a stable protection film which doesn't harden or crack over time. This product is 100% synthetic, offers protection over a long period of time, and is easy to remove before production starts. Anticore has been especially developed for this use and has already proved itself worldwide in the hardest of conditions. The regular use of Anticore assures the long-term use of the tools over an especially long time. At the start of the production, the Anticore protection film is easily removed from the cavity with Solvo N. A further cleaning and degreasing is not necessary. Solvo N is the cleaning agent for degreasing and cleaning. It dissolves grease, tar, and resin. A further problem in the plastic injection molding is that clamps and tools are not mounted exactly parallel. A problem that leads to unexacting discrepancies in the production process. Pass rust develops under high pressure and is actually only easy to remove with butol. Butol is extraordinarily permeable and cuts through durable layers such as metal oxide, corrosion layers, grease, and dust. This optimal rust remover cleans without damaging the mechanical gliding functions. Even during the production process, the Buchum products fundamentally support the high-quality production. To prevent waste, Anticore RS Extra helps to stop clogging of the spray nozzles during this process. It is applied to the nozzles and slider mechanism after cleaning. Because it doesn't remove dirt or pass rust, Anticore RS Extra is the perfect lubricant. It can even be applied during the injection process. After 2 to 5 cycles, light debris on the nozzles is removed. During the manufacture of plastics, contaminants can gather in the tools, which negatively influences the quality of the mold. These contaminants consist of decomposition of the plastic or other elements of the mixture. The Buchum products can also help here. Reiniger SE removes especially well these buildups of contaminants without major machine downtime. Simply spray the cavity with Reiniger SE cleaner and after a short period wipe off with a towel, or after continuing the production, remove with the help of 3 to 5 molded parts. The last method is to be recommended for the removal of polyacetyl sediments without long production stoppages. Then the cleaner would be sprayed into the hot tools at the first sign of buildup and then removed with the following mold. Buchum even supports the industry when changing color in the screw. This is extremely effective with the use of Intercore VP1026. Intercore VP1026 is mixed with a certain amount of the successive granules. Then it becomes effective as a rust preventer and cleaning agent through its additives, which provide extreme volume expansion. All rooms that are involved in the plastification process are affected and are therefore thoroughly cleaned. After the production, the tools are cleaned at room temperature and all layers are removed. Reiniger SC has a special dissolving agent combination which can clean the machine correctly at room temperature. Afterwards, to conserve the tools, they are sprayed with Anticore RS, and then they are protected until the next use. Synthetic lubricants with extremely high durability for the injection machines. These are the Buchum products of the Neo array. For example, Neogliss. Neogliss is a lubricant designed for all moving parts of the machine, recognized for its good rust protection and its incredible lubrication properties. Take for example Neogliss Plus. It's especially convincing due to its optimal lubrication properties, even in the most confined of spaces. At the same time, it also possesses especially effective grease and oil activation properties and infiltrates and displaces water and builds up a thin, elastic layer. Neolube applies itself especially to medium-term rust protection and the lubrication of guides and columns. From Anticore to Neolube, the Buchum products for plastic injection molding are especially developed for the industry and for that reason are especially effective. Naturally, all the workers at Buchum have a great deal of know-how gleaned from countless years of experience in the plastics industry. In this way, and with help from Buchum's pool of knowledge, they can eliminate any barriers they may come across in quality or production. Effective and economical production with Buchum.